so much for coming to today's video. So the Facebook ads got me again, or Instagram ads got me again. This weird soap brow thing. It's just soap, a little tin container of soap for your brows. And the ad looked so amazing that I just had to buy it. So if you guys are interested in seeing all about this little soap brow situation, let's get into the video. So this ad popped up and they brushed up the eyebrow and just like swiped it over, and I was like, what was that? What did they just do? Like, if I can find it, I'll put the video in. It looked so cool. So I was just like, you know what? I'm sold. It was only $8 for 2 of them. Came in this little cute green pack. And it was Amazon Prime. So I got it in 2 days. If I could open it. Oh, it comes with the spoolie. I grabbed one because I didn't think it came with one. So it comes with a little spoolie that like can bend if you want. It's just a little guy. Just a little guy. Cute little tin. So I don't know if this is basically just like a clear soap in a little tiny tin. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't really feel like soap. It feels really firm. So we're gonna test this out, but I was just so like, I don't even have words for like what it did. They took her brows, swiped it up, and then like drew a line on the top, kind of like making the top a clean, sharp line. And her brows were like done. And like, I don't think that's gonna happen for me because I don't have enough hair on the sides, but we're gonna try. We're gonna really test it out. Have a baby wipe. Let's wipe off my brow. So that's what my natural brow looks like. Okay, now that I have clean brows, it says spray some water onto the brush, not the soap directly. Dip your brow groomer into the brow soap to lightly coat the bristles with the product. Brush through your brows, flicking upwards and then out to create a featured look. I don't know what that means. And then it says this brow soap can be worn alone or over your favorite brow cushion, powder, pencil, or pen. Over. So you have to do your other stuff first? I don't know. Let me zoom in and then I'll get this wet also. All right, so we're zoomed in and I got this wet. So I'm just going to take it and rub it in there. Then you just comb it through your brow, flicking them up and out for a featured look. Don't really know what that means. I mean, I think it definitely creates that like fuller look. It's like everything is made for people with a lot of brow hairs already. Like, I don't have that. Make stuff for me, please. Okay, so, I mean, it did do a little bit, but I think maybe I need to fill them in first and then do that. So let's go in. I'm just gonna use the Dear Dahlia brow pencil just because it's already out. I have it right in front of me. And I'll try to fill them in a little lighter than I normally do. So I have them filled in just like a little bit. And this spoolie, what's annoying is like it just spins. Like this part will move. Can you see that? So like this part, when you're pressing, it just like moves. So let me try a different spoolie. is just not working for me. And it's like this doesn't want to draw on top of the waxiness. Let's try some brow gel. Okay, so I think maybe if you already have really like full brows and you just kind of want to lift and give them that like wispy look, then maybe this would work perfect. But for me, I'm just not, it's just not for me. It's not for somebody that doesn't have many brow hairs to begin with. And this thing though, like in their little ad, it looks like she's pushing pretty hard and like the hairs are just sticking, and then they swipe it and it like lays down nice. That is not this thing. This thing is wiggly and wobbly. I don't appreciate it. I would just throw this away. But still, 2 of these for $8. I mean, if you like doing the soap brow thing, this is kind of convenient because it's smaller. It just fits in with your makeup. It's really not that expensive. So if you do like doing soap brows and you just like that big, that like wispy, feathery look, this could be really nice for you. So not saying it's a bad product, just that it's a bad product for me. Oh, I don't know who I think I am when these ads pop up. I'm like, my eyebrows, I want them to look like that, but it's like they won't do that. That's not how my brows are. So, all right, I guess that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it wasn't really much to watch. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.